Welcome to Bike and Car Reviews. Today, we're talking about an SUV that continues to set new standards every year, the Kia Sportage 2025. With its futuristic design, advanced features, and powerful performance, this new model has made a strong impact in the market. Let's dive into the details of this impressive vehicle. Exterior design. The 2025 Kia Sportage grabs attention at first glance. This time, Kia has given it a sharper and bolder look. The signature tiger nose grille, LED headlamps, and dynamic alloy wheels give it a modern and aggressive appearance. The overall design feels sporty and premium, making it especially appealing to young buyers. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Sportage 2025 has become even more luxurious. A spacious cabin, soft touch materials, and high-quality finish bring it close to the premium segment. The dual-screen setup, one for infotainment and one digital instrument cluster, provides a seamless experience for both the driver and passengers. Features like ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting make it feel even more high-end. Engine and performance. The Kia Sportage 2025 comes with multiple engine options, including petrol, diesel, and hybrid variants. These engines are powerful yet fuel-efficient, offering a smooth driving experience along with better mileage. The advanced suspension system and various drive modes ensure a comfortable ride on all types of terrain. Technology and safety. For tech lovers, the Sportage 2025 is a complete package. It includes Kia Connect app support, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, voice commands, and ADAS features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking. With 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, and a strong build quality, it takes safety to the next level. Price and conclusion. The expected price of the Kia Sportage 2025 in Pakistan is around 8 Pakistani rupees and 50 paise to 10 million, depending on the variant. If you're looking for a stylish, tech-packed, and reliable SUV, the Sportage 2025 could be the perfect choice. For more detailed reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe to Bike and Car Reviews. Your support keeps us going. Thank you.
Subscribe to our channel to watch such videos and open our channel to watch more exciting videos.